How to make coconut oil at home in 6 easy steps. Split the coconut in half, scoop out the flesh and grate it. Wrap it in a thin cotton cloth or use a cloth strainer and squeeze it to get out the most possible milk. Place a container underneath to collect the milk. When you've squeezed the milk from the flesh, add the coconut water to hydrate it, wait a while for it to absorb and squeeze it out again. When the flesh is completely dehydrated, you can save it and use it for cooking. Now we have coconut milk and we can begin to make homemade coconut oil. Place the milk in a pan or saucepan and bring to a simmer. The heat will cause the water to evaporate and the milk to thicken. Gradually, the coconut milk will start to granulate and the oil will separate. When the milk proteins are completely separated from the oil, you must filter it. With a strainer, pour the coconut milk through to extract the oil. Voila! You have your homemade coconut oil to use as you wish. To solidify the coconut oil, you just have to leave it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. If you are not going to use coconut oil right away, you can add a few drops of vitamin E so that it stays in perfect condition for longer. How to make coconut oil at home in 6 easy steps.